Hello students, this is Dr. Saurabh sir's class. We are now solving mathematics optional paper from our UPSC 2024. Okay, what the question says? The question says is let T be a R cube to R cube be a linear operator and B equals to V1, V2, V3 be a basis of R cube over R. Suppose that TV1 equals to 110, TV2 equals to 10 minus 1 and TV3 equals to 2 1 minus 1. Then we have to find a basis for the range space and null space of T. Okay, so we have to do the firstly what are the given conditions? The given conditions about the linear transformation or the linear operator is TV1 equals to 110 and TV2 equals to 10 minus 1 and TV3 which is equals to 2 1 and minus 1. Now we have to construct the matrix representation of T in basis B, which is written as this TB. So what will be this? This will be 110, the and the second column will be 1 0 and minus 1 and the last column will be 2 1 minus 1. Okay, now we are doing some row reduction with using the by using the elementary row operations. So subtracting the first row from the second row, that will be written as R2 minus 1, R2 minus R1. Then we will get 1 1 2 and the second row will be 0 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 and the last row will be 1 minus 1. Okay, now we are adding the second row to the third row, R2 plus R3. Then what we will get? We will get 1 1 2 and it will be 0 minus 1 and minus 1 and the last row will be 0 0 and it will be minus 2. Okay, now we are doing this thing. Then we will get 1 1 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 and it will be 0 0 1. Okay, now we can easily do the same kind of things as we do R3 plus R2. Then we will get R2 plus R3. Then we will get 1 1 2 and it will be 0 minus 1 0 and 0 0 1. And after that we will do the same kind of things, which is R2 R1 minus 2 R2. Then we will get 1 1 0 and the second row will be same and the last row will be 0 0 1. Okay, as we can see that the matrix is now in row echelon form, showing that the rank of T is 3. As we can see that the pivotal positions are non-zero. This is non-zero, this is non-zero, and this is also non-zero. So the rank of T is 3. Rank of T is 3. So what will be the dimension of null space? As we know from our rank nullity theorem, that row of T plus nullity of T equals to n. N is the order of matrix. Here the order is 3, and the row and the RT rank of T is also 3, so the nullity of T will equals to 0. Okay, so what will be the basis of null space? The basis of null space will be 0, 0, 0. And what will be the basis of the range space? The basis of the range space will be these things which we have got in our question. The basis of the range space are 1, 1, 0, and that will be 1, 0 minus 1, and the last entry is 2, 1 minus 1. These are the required answers for this question. Hope you understood. Thank you.